So y'all, I'm sorry for late for a boxing. Today I'm boxing for Walmart process. It's called EarPods Lightning Connector for app. Well, do I get Apple charger plug? And says, oh, backwards. No trash can, only recycle. So let's open up. Oh, it's green. Go. Oh, there. There he is. The AirPod Lightning card, sir. Counter. Well, you using the AirPod Lightning sir? Cause nobody here found music disrespect for music. Meanwhile, in a library, listen to relaxed music in iPhone and laptop. Only be quiet library at GDC Library District. Yeah, at GDC Vendor Center. Go subscribe to the channel, comment below with friends, share, like. Walking and outside, listen to music, iPhone. Oh man, I'll see Friday. Peace.